Hello and welcome on this new trading video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So today guys, we are going to start the scalping session, and the time now in Dubai, it's 12:30 p.m. That's actually a good time to start trading because the UK session has just begun and the market right now having actually a lot of liquidity and it's moving in high volatility as well. Therefore, I think it's gonna be really good scalping session. Meanwhile, of course, for those who are entering my signals for the last Saturday, thankfully so far the pound USD has been actually activated, running currently in 4 pips. It has just been activated actually. AUDUSD has also been triggered as well. USDJPY is finally running in a good profit of about 23 pips. So let's wait and see how things will go. If anything went unexpectedly, I'm going to send you guys a sooner midweek analysis video. So let's now begin with the trading session, and of course I'm gonna start with the pound JPY. I'm actually avoiding the pound NZD these days because the spread is a little bit high, and of course those who are actually same like me and following my advice and trading in IC markets, they know very well that 2 pips is actually a high spread for scalping. We want actually guys the 1 pip spread, and that's actually better than nothing. Anyway, 15-minute time frame, and I'm going to apply the Fibonacci retracement along with the trend lines. And okay, wow, pound JPY showing us here something very interesting actually. Yes, that's definitely a good setup. I mean, that is really basically a 20 pips a day strategy. As you can see right here guys, we are having here a real level of the support with total of 3 attempts, and we had here in the middle that fake breakout. However, lately we have here also that bullish breakout candle. Now we can actually expect from that level of a support to be respected, and we can actually keep buying the pound JPY until the market reach the highest level of the nearest resistance to our entry. So I'm going to place the buy order based on the 15-minute time frame. It's going to be placed right here on this new level of the support. Take profit level will be right here at this nearest level of the resistance, and the stop loss is going to be right here at the lowest level of the support. Of course guys, this is the strategy rules that when you are opening a trade, the take profit level has got to be placed at the nearest support or resistance to your entry. All right, so that actually seems really good setup, and I'm excited for it. I think we will make good money with this trade. Actually, this is a really trusted setup. I mean, that's usually the setup that I'm actually waiting for always. No matter how you do actually, even if you draw the support trend lines, you can see that we are having here also a real level of a support trend line, which has indeed been respected right here. Then lately we had the fake breakout. Now we can actually expect from that real level of the support to be respected again. So as you can see guys, it's actually a good and valid setup. Let me check the Fibonacci retracement just to be sure. Let's try with the Fibonacci retracement. As you can see, that's also gonna be at 38.2. Yeah, things seems to be really good. Let's just wait for the market to fall for another 5 pips, I would say, before we can start trading. Therefore, let me know, please pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once this trade reaches the same level of the support. All right, so the pound JPY is approaching that level. I'm going to place the buy order right now. Fantastic. And check out guys my entry. It was really perfect again because I'm using IC markets, and the spread for the pound JPY is less than 1 pip. That is exactly guys what you really want when you are scalping. You definitely don't want to scalp with spreads like 2 or 3 or even 4 pips. That's not really scalping, that's only swing trading. Anyway, now regarding this trade, as you can see, I have opened my trade right here. Now for the take profit level, I'm gonna place it right here at the highest level of the resistance. It's gonna be about $106. Hopefully gonna be a good profit. Meanwhile, our stop loss is gonna be 14 pips, equivalent to $124, which is really fine, I think. Yeah, let me just tell you about my trading strategy, funds management strategy. As you can see right now, I started this week with $2,770. Actually I was supposed to start with $2,000, but I just thought let's just toss another $700 in the mix just to make sure that we can actually start gaining big. So instead of trading with 0.70 lots, I started with 1.2. Now however, My strategy, guys, is actually to have limitation for my profits and for the losses as well, which means my my maximum loss for the day is gonna be $300, which means actually I'm gonna even expand it a little bit more, make it $370. That's my maximum loss for the day, which means if the account reach $2,400, I'm gonna stop for, sorry, $2,700. Sorry, what am I saying? Yeah, correct. Yes, $2,400. What did I say? 3,000? Yeah, okay. I don't know what's happening to you guys. I'm sorry. $2,400 is gonna be the maximum that I can accept for the losses. However, for the profits, it's gonna just be the same. I'm gonna accept $300 profit for the day. If I made this much, I'm gonna stop trading. If I didn't make this much, I will just wait for some setups to appear. If no setups show up, then that's it. I'm just gonna suck it and accept it, and it is what it is. So the thing here is I'm going to limit my profits to be no more than $300. Why? I have explained this many times. Actually, guys, if you keep trading, if you have made $300, check this out, we're already running in profit, and you continue trading, you make another 300, then you keep trading, you have made another 300, then you keep trading, you have made another 300, you keep trading, you have made another 300, and so on. When are you going to stop trading then? What is the only thing that will stop you from trading? It will be when you wipe out all these profits that you have made. When you are entering, you will just stop when you enter one single trade that will make you lose all the profits that you have hardly earned. So therefore, always make sure to limit your trades. Always be sure that there is a limit and do not exceed that limit no matter what happens, guys. Don't get greedy. If you have reached your daily limits of profits, just turn off your computer and just get out of the house. Just go take a dinner or walk with your family. I mean, just spend some quality time with your family and your loved ones. Anyway, guys, let me now see what will gonna happen with this trade. Let's just now switch to the 1 minute time frame, and hopefully everything's gonna be going well. Let me now please speed up the recording, and let's see how this trade will go. And check this out, my friends, we are already running in a good profit. The pound JPY is running in about 9 pips of profit, $74. Actually, it was just about $80 right now. Oh god, I think we are late. I think oh my god, that's one of the problems why I really hate making these sessions. In normal circumstances, I would actually just close the trade and get done with it, but I have to explain here, I have to talk, I have to explain why I'm closing it. 6 pips, 7 pips of profit. Let's see, I think it's gonna continue the rise. I think switch to the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, we're totally fine. It's still gonna continue the rise, that's for sure. Anyway, guys, okay, let's get back now to the 1 minute time frame and let's see how this trade will go. Alright, my friends, so I'm gonna exit the trade right now, accepting $70 of profit. Fantastic, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's really great. Even though it might actually continue the rise, I don't give a damn, since I have actually made these profits and accepted. Look at that mother of... Yeah, it's rising. It's alright. It's okay, I don't care about it. Look at that, now it's falling. But pay attention, guys. I want you guys to look at something. That is actually the real power of my strategy. I have placed my trade right here and exited right here. Now that's the beautiful thing here, because based on my strategy, the market will surely rise right here, at least to reach that level of the resistance, retesting that price, and then we really don't care what will happen later. Maybe it will continue the fall, and by that we have actually saved our asses. Maybe it's gonna continue the rise, and by that we're gonna cry tears. Maybe our tears will be blood, because we will be sorry and regret for closing the trade. But anyway, we have to be always, how can I say it, not greedy. Avoid being so greedy, guys, and just have a target. Place your trade right here, exit right here, and just move on and check another trade. Just as simple as that. Alright, so to save your time, Let me please now pause the recording, and I'll be back to you guys once I find the next trade. Alrighty, so we're having here on the AUDCAD something very similar. That setup is just very similar to the pound JPY that we just had. A real level of the support faced a fake breakout. That was an actual breakout from that level, but the market kept rising above that level of the 0.89580, and right now it's retesting again the same level. It's gonna continue the fall for another 1.4 pips. I think it's not really even worth the wait. Let's just place the buy order right now, increasing the lot size to 1.3 lot sizes. Get ready, the market is approaching the same level, and yes, fantastic guys. Check this, really check out this entry. It was really so accurate, exactly on the current price. That's the beautiful thing when you are using a broker like IC Markets. Anyway, look at the trade right now. I have placed first of all my stop loss. Always be careful, guys. The first thing that you should ever be placing is the stop loss. You don't know what will gonna happen. Maybe something gonna happen to the market. Some news will hit it. It will actually cause your trade to fall suddenly. You really don't want the margin to be called. Therefore, first of all, once you open the trade, instantly place your stop loss before you place your take profit. Now, if we are going to apply my strategy right here, we should actually place our take profit level right on the nearest resistance to my entry, which is of course right here exactly. Therefore, that's gonna be my take profit level, exactly right there, aiming about $78. Good. So I think that's gonna be everything for this trade. I mean, just to be sure, to make sure that things are accurate, let me just use the Fibonacci. Of course, I didn't apply it before. I don't know what will gonna happen. Maybe it will not be in the very accurate place. Look at that. It is on Fibonacci 50. Fantastic. That's really great. I'm so happy about this one. All right. So that means that this trade has a great potential to be a successful one. All right. So let's now switch to the 1 minute time frame. Let's speed up the recording and let's see how this trade will go. Alright guys, so I want to exit this trade right now. I don't want to stay in it anymore. $42 off profit, a very small profit. Thankfully, let's just accept it. Let me just tell you why, because based on the 15-minute time frame, we have already reached right here a resistance level. This was of course the right level of the resistance. Add to this, if I'm not mistaken, I think I'm not, this is gonna be 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Yes, indeed, check this out, exactly 61.8. That being said, I really thought that it's actually gonna be a better idea to just exit this trade. Alrighty, so everything seems to be going well so far. By the way, guys, I just want to highlight that some of comments actually says that Salah is hiding the losses. Actually, I'm not hiding anything. I have lost many times. I have actually recorded the losses and I showed it to you in the videos. Those who are claiming such things, they for surely did not watch all my live trading videos, because again, I have lost so many times, but thankfully I was able to recover. And it's not really my fault if my strategy is just so good. I mean, it's really a strategy that really a winner. And if you apply this strategy, guys, trust me, if you understood it well, if you have practiced it for a long time, trust me, you're gonna start earning from trading Forex. Anyway, right now I cannot see actually anything trusted. Let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording and I'll be back to you later to show you once I get to the next trade. Okay, my friends, so actually the CAD JPY is showing us something very interesting here. As you can see, my friends, this support right here has actually become a resistance level for multiple times. Then again, finally, we're having the actual breakout from that level of a previous resistance, and the market has already become right here a new support, which means that support is being respected again. Therefore, of course, adding Fibonacci to the mix, as we can see right here, I have drawn the Fibonacci from this new resistance to this lowest low, to the lower low right here, to the lowest level of the support. And as we can see right now, that level is actually Fibonacci 50. That being said, the CAD JPY is actually have a good chance to continue the rise to reach at least 61.8. That can actually provide me with about 9 pips of profit, which is really great. I'm gonna reduce the lot size to be 1.1. Trading the CAD JPY is not really that simple. We have to be very careful. A small loss can actually cost us a lot of money. Therefore, I'm going to invest only $80, aiming 53. It's fine. All right, not bad deal. Yeah, I think that should be fine. I think let's just be careful. Again, CAD JPY is one of the craziest pairs ever. Adding, of course, this adding the AUDUSD to that, we have to be very careful trading the AUDUSD and the CAD JPY. Anyway, the stop loss, of course, guys, has been placed right here for investment reasons. I don't want to invest more than $80 in this trade, and the take profit level was actually forced to be right here because this is my strategy rules to actually exit the trade right on the nearest resistance to my entry, and that is, of course, the nearest resistance. Anyway, let me know, please. Let's just delete everything here, and let's just skip to the good stuff. Let's move to the 1 minute time frame. And let's speed up the recording and let's see how this trade will go. Alright, my friends, so I think we have to abandon this trade, as you can see, based on the 50-minute time frame. The reversal has already happened right here. Let me just show it to you. I think it happened right here exactly as you can see. However, the market couldn't actually hold the position. The reversal happened only for 5 pips, and as you can see right now, the market seems like it's actually unable to hold the position, and therefore I think we might actually have to abandon the setup. However, let me just scroll here to the left side. As you can see right now, the candle is actually at the absolutely lowest level of that support. Yeah, that price action is really not promising at all. Let's see. Okay, let's wait for this candle to expire first before we judge that it's gonna be a failure one. All right, back to the 1 minute time frame, and let's see if this trade is gonna keep going well or not. But so far, I think we have to close it. But anyway, I'm gonna wait for it and let's see if it's gonna reverse from this new support line. So let's again speed up the recording. Alright, so I'm done with this trade. $26. Let's just accept this loss. I mean, that's totally fine, guys. We have lost this trade. I mean, I'm not gonna stay in it anymore. Maybe it will be now in profit. I'm not really sure, but anyway, I'm not gonna even look at it. CAD JPY has indeed failed me as usual. Not a problem at all. We're still in profit, I think. Let me know, please, guys. Pause the recording, and I'll be back to you once I find the next trade. AUDUSD. AUDUSD is perfect for the trade right now, and we have placed the trade and instantly in profit. I mean, I just found this setup and just resumed recording and instantly had to place the trade, and as you can see right now, we are running immediately in profit. And by the way, this is actually, guys, from the weekly signals to buy the AUDUSD. And by the way, all of the signals are running in good profit so far, even the USDJPY. Anyway, of course, very similar setup to the EURUSD and the CAD JPY. As you can see right here, we're having that level of a strong real level of the support, which seems like it's going to be respected once again. And the current the candle in the middle actually confirms that the market right now is getting ready for a bullish reversal. As you can see, immediately the trade running in profit. Fantastic. That's really great. And of course, the take profit level, guys, was placed right here at the nearest resistance to my entry, and the stop loss was placed here for investment reasons, because I really don't want to invest more than like $80 in this trade. 71 even, that's totally fine. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement just to make sure that this trade is actually valid. As you can see, exactly, the trade has reversed exactly from 38.2. Let's add the trend lines to the mix, and let's check now if I draw the support trend line from this lower low to this higher low, just like that. What I will do next is simply drag the same line which I have drawn here and place it right there at the nearest resistance trend line. Check this out, guys. This is, of course, right here. 1 second. This is right here, the nearest resistance trend line, which has instantly been broken out from. This was, of course, a real level of the support trend line. And as you can see, the market seems like it's actually respecting that level of a previous resistance trend line. It's now becoming a new support trend line. And as you can see, the trade is running in profit. So fantastic. But mainly, guys, I will be honest with you, mainly the main reason for entering this trade is actually that level of a previous support being respected. Actually seeing this is enough. You don't really need to analyze it deeper than that, but I'm doing it just to confirm to you or to show you that my strategy is really powerful, and no matter if you use the Fibonacci or the trend lines, it will be a winner setup. Anyway, it's running in profit instantly. Fantastic. Back to the 1 minute time frame, and let's see now, my friends, how this trade will go. Alright, so actually I've had enough with this trade, guys. I mean, $53 off profit, that's really fine. The account now is 2,907. We have recovered the previous loss of the CAD GBPUSD and we have made small profits. As you can see, guys, I'm just scalping the market. Therefore, as you can see, it's just a small chunks of profits here and there. I'm just trying my best actually to make these profits. I mean, it's not that easy as you think, guys. And I have been here sitting for almost 2 hours to make about $150. Anyway, they actually, no, yeah, almost $150. So as you can see right now, let me see what we can do next. I think that's it, guys. I'm really getting tired. I need to rest now. Right now it's actually 2:30 p.m. Dubai time. After 30 minutes I will continue trading, but I think the video is long enough. We don't really need to make it longer than that. I think that's fine. I mean, I'm gonna continue trading peacefully. Trust me, guys, it's not easy at all to trade on your live account and you are explaining and you are going to post it on YouTube. I mean, that's really exhausting to me. That's it. I'm done. All right, guys. So as you can see, thankfully, the weekly signals which I have sent on Saturday are going so well. The pound USD going now in 40 pips of profit. AUDUSD going in almost 20 pips of profit. USDJPY going in about 18 pips of profit. Meanwhile, the other signals haven't been triggered. EURUSD has almost reversed from the entry, just like 6 pips far away, currently running in 33 pips. Alright, guys, so that's gonna be it for now. I will see you soon in another midweek analysis video, and until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.